Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. We're going to do a live broadcast at USA 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. That's about an hour and 20 minutes from now. And we're doing our quarantine coronavirus session here. We'll do it live. We'll talk about different projects. Some Walter Russell, some Bedini / St. Vincent, some Figueroa, some Ed Lee Scallon, PMH. I'm going to call that the four-banger PMH. Nothing. We'll talk about why it's set up like that, and we'll get into some Tesla. And we'll take about a 2-hour live broadcast. Real quick, got the oscilloscope set up, and this light is indicating that this 2N3055 coming off of this coil is resonating. And if you can see that this is just, let's slow it down. We'll slow it down by letting the magnets here dictate what this coil does, because that coil right now is in resonance with itself. We're going to add some more stuff to it tonight, like a capacitor. So we'll have something to bounce off of. But let's look at the oscilloscope. Let's go ahead and turn. And you can see with the oscilloscope, let's check the intensity. So you can see it's got a break, and that flat line break is in between the magnets. So the magnets are pulsing this setup. And then you can see where the break goes into the lines is like a Gatling gun. Boom. But real fast. And you can see how the wave is showing up on the oscilloscope. Now that's running 12 volts. Now let's get out of 12 volts. And we're going to, let me see. Let's show that was 12 volts. So that's 12.50 volts to run this. It's turning. We're using 0.14 of an amp, and the wattage is 1.7. There's your wavefront. Now we're going to take and put 4 batteries together. And you can see the lights on. You can hear it making sound. You can hear it. So it's oscillating right now on its own without disturbance. Now we'll go ahead and you can hear it. You can hear it taking off. We're using now 49.9 volt, almost 50 volts DC. We're using a little bit over a quarter of an amp, 0.28. And you can see our power is at 13.9 watts. Cool stuff. I got a lot of experiments here. We'll just give you a little teaser here. There's a coil bifilar. I got the bifilar set up, and pretty much you can see that we got it lighting. You can see it, we got it lighting even more. Coming over here, you can see I have it lit. So this is coming off of the magnetic field that's created here. Here we have, this is a 10-12 bifilar. 2 or 4. A thin and a regular wire is for the prime mover and the tickler, the exciter. And the other 10 there are ones I can pick up. We'll go over that tonight. We're going to see what voltage we get from one, and if we keep increasing them, if we get the voltage up. And then you'll see also stretching the dipole. So right now, these are north coming out, and I have a north coming out of here. So there's a south here. So that means that the end of this coil would be a north. The other end of this would be a south. You can see the lights on. Now if I turn it over, you can see the light's not really that bright right there, but it's on as well. It's real bright as you go closer. And then here, I want to show you something pretty interesting. First of all, we'll put this right here and you'll see that it's not, the light's not lit. I'm going to go ahead and add a little laminate iron to it. And you can see the light lights up. Okay, now watch this. So we're at 14 watts, 0.28 amps. Let's go ahead and back this up. We're going to have this coil on here. Now we drop down in wattage and we drop down in amperage. And now listen, we're picking up speed. So the magnetic field on the front end here, you hear that? Going down in wattage, going down in amperage, and speed is getting crazy right now. You can see that light is blinding. We'll go over these experiments tonight. We'll explain them in detail. Live broadcast. Peace out. You guys all be safe. Love you all.